Smartwatches usually fall into two categories: the beautiful but fragile fashion pieces and the rugged but bulky adventure tanks. But today, OPPO is trying to delete the line between them. This is the new OPPO Watch X3. It's thinner, lighter, and encased in aerospace-grade titanium, with a display that could probably be seen from space. Is this finally the Apple Watch Ultra killer that Android users have been waiting for? Let's find out. At first glance, it looks familiar, but the feel in hand is completely different. OPPO swapped out the stainless steel for TC4 aerospace-grade titanium. Weight: it's 16% lighter than last year, about 43 grams without the strap. Thinness: it's 6.4% thinner, sitting at just 11 millimeters. Durability: we've got IP68, IP69 for high-pressure water jets, and MIL STD810H military certification. The screen is protected by sapphire crystal with a Mohs hardness of 8+. I've been wearing this for a week. No scratches, no dents. The rotating crown feels clicky and premium, though the secondary button is now customizable, which I love for quick starting workouts. Let's talk about this screen. It's a 1.5-inch LTPO OLED, but the headline stat: 3000 nits of peak brightness. For context, that is brighter than most flagship smartphones. In sport mode, this thing punches through direct midday sun like it's nothing. Because it's LTPO, it can drop down to a 1 Hz refresh rate for the always-on display, saving a ton of juice. The 466 by 466 resolution keeps everything sharp at 310 ppi. It's arguably the best-looking circular display on the market right now. Under the hood, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5. It's fast, apps open instantly, and there's zero lag when scrolling. Crucial note: this unit is running ColorOS Watch 16.0. It's fluid and packed with features like eSIM support, NFC for payments, and over 2,000 watch faces. However, for those outside China, keep an eye on the global release. OPPO historically swaps to Google's Wear OS for international markets, which would bring the Play Store and Google Assistant into the mix. OPPO is leaning hard into AI health. The standout feature is the 60-second physical. It checks 14 different indicators: ECG, heart rate, blood oxygen, and even vascular elasticity, all in 1 minute. Hypertension risk: it now has a non-inductive blood pressure risk assessment. Sleep: it tracks sleep apnea risks and snoring. Fitness: over 100 sports modes. The dual-frequency GPS L1 plus L5 is incredibly accurate. I tested it in a concrete canyon downtown, and the map tracking didn't drift once. Battery life is usually the Achilles heel of real smartwatches. OPPO uses a dual-engine architecture smart mode. You get about 3 to 5 days. Long battery mode: this keeps health tracking and notifications alive, but kills the heavy UI, and it lasts 16 days. And if you're in a rush, 10 minutes on the charger gives you a full 24 hours of use. A full charge takes about 75 minutes. If you want the most durable, brightest, and arguably most stylish Android-compatible watch right now, this is it. But what do you think? Is the titanium worth the price jump? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.